Hi, this is Sherman Crancer, Senior Partner Development Manager for Microsoft. And in studio, we've got a great friend of Microsoft, Raj Gupta, CTO of Lumen21 Incorporated. So Raj, thanks so much for coming in today. First and foremost, you've attended our Azure Swarm Boot Camp, and we just wanted to see if we could just get your candid thoughts on the whole experience, and if in fact you thought it was impactful to your business.
It definitely was, especially when we as a technology company more focus on technology. We don't think about how can we sell our solutions to a client. Most of our marketing material is also very technology driven, but not to the client perspective in terms of a market segment or in terms of what the client is looking at in terms of security, audit, compliance. And this bootcamp really opened up our eyes, specifically focusing in that area of how to enhance the client environment.
Well, that's really insightful, and thank you so much for that. So the second question I have is the format. So we've thought long and hard about the format, and thought a lot of our past trainings have been really heavily laden on just PowerPoints, 100 PowerPoints an hour. See if you can consume 1,400 pages, and this one's more hands-on lab. How do you think the difference? What do you think about the difference?
It actually shows what we actually can do versus, once you go after the 5th PowerPoint slide, people forget what they have seen in the previous one. This one actually embeds your knowledge, and since you're doing a hands-on experience, the images gets embedded in yourself. So you have physical knowledge, you have walk-through knowledge of the technology, you know what you can do today, go home and try it on your own tenant. And that's the impactfulness of that.
Wow, hey, thanks so much for that. And then, our last question for you is we changed it up on the end. The last day of the 3-day event, we did what's called the go-to-market rollout, where we talked about a micro offer. And after you create that micro offer, you're going to turn it in. And what we're going to do is put it to the catalog, turn on resources to help you get to market quicker.
Yep.
Help me understand what your thoughts were after we rolled it out, and whether or not that is going to be something that you're going to take advantage of.
We were part of the original co-sell program about 6 to 8 months ago, and this program that has come to the GTM, which is the go-to-market program, has really enhanced to focus in a vertical segment. We as a company are very focused in healthcare, so this helps us to focus, for example, modern workplace for healthcare, Azure Anywhere for healthcare. So that helps us to kind of navigate and direct our focus in that go-to-market program.
Fantastic. And lastly, would you give this a thumbs up?
Definitely. Double thumbs up.
All right, fantastic. Hey, thanks so much for coming in today. Really appreciate your time.
You're welcome.
Have a good day.
You too.